Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info. In front of me Epson XP-970, and now I'm gonna show you how to copy documents on this device. To do that, firstly you should click copy, then choose the type of copy, colored or black and white. For example, I want to make black and white copy. Then of course you should locate your document you want to copy here, and afterwards you just should choose amount the copy, for example copies, for example 2 copies, and click copy, and that's it. Thanks for watching, like this video and bye, see you.